Hi, it's Anna with WTI. Have you ever found a product so amazing you want to shout it to the world? Otella face mist! That's what I want to shout to the world. This stuff is amazing. So this is a hypochlorous acid, which is not to be confused with anything related to bleach. This is a natural thing your body makes to help with antimicrobial, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory when you get wounds. I have been loving it for after I go running. When I come home, my face is so red, so hot, so sweaty, so dirty. I just spray this on and I have instant relief. It feels so refreshing. It has a really fine mist that feels cool, but it also helps to clean. I also have been getting acne really bad in the last 9 months or so. I cannot believe the difference I have seen by just adding this product. If you have skin conditions like eczema, this can really help because when you spray it on, it will have all those same properties: antibacterial, antimicrobial, anti inflammatory, and will really relax the inflammation you have on your skin. Like I said, this is an amazing product, but don't take my word for it. Try it yourself, and you'll be shouting Otella to the world too. But that's just my point of view.